Chicago Executive Airport Information, Yankee 1452 Zulu weather observation. Wind 030 at 7, visibility 10, skies clear below 12,000. Temperature -2, dew point -12, altimeter 3036. ILS runway 16 approach in use, landing and departing runway 34 and runway 6. IFR arrivals unable to cancel IFR to circle, advise Chicago approach on initial contact. On initial contact, advise you have Yankee.
Executive clearance, good morning, Centurion 5300 Alpha with Yankee going to French Lick.
Centurion 5300 Alpha, clearance cleared to French Lick. Always fun to say. Foxtrot Romeo Hotel via the Monks 2 departure. Emily transition. As filed, climb maintain 3000. Expect 9000, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency will be 120.55, squawk 3165.
Roger, cleared to French Lick via Monks 2 Emily. As filed, 3000, 9010, 120.55, and the squawk is 3165.
Centurion 00 Alpha, read back script. Information, Yankees current for about another 3 minutes.
Roger. Alright, ready to go?
Yeah.
Go. Tower Centurion 5300 Alpha is ready at 3-4.
5300 Alpha, hold short 3-4, wait 9 for release.
Hold short.
Five 5300 Alpha, fly runway heading, runway 34, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading, clear for takeoff 3-4, Centurion 5300 Alpha. Flying 00 Alpha over departure.
00 Alpha, climb maintain 4000 now, and contact Chicago departure. They need you to climb, best climb rate as possible.
Best rate up to 4000 over departure, 00 Alpha, we'll see you. Departure Centurion 5300 Alpha is 325 for best rate to 4000, runway heading.
00 Alpha, Chicago departure, radar contact. Ocean 618, descend to maintain 2500.
2500, selection 618.
9 Zulu Bravo, descend to maintain 3000.
3000, 9 Zulu Bravo.
00 Alpha, turn left, heading at 290.
Left heading 290, Centurion is Alpha.
Solution 618, turn right heading 120, report the field site 10 miles southeast.
120 on the heading, and we'll call field when we get it, Solution 618.
November 00 Alpha, climb maintain 6,000 and expedite climb.
Expedite up to 6,000, Centurion is Alpha.
Solution 618, we have executive in sight.
Solution 618, clear visual approach, runway 16, maintain 170 knots or greater to PAMI.
Clear visual approach, runway 16 and 170 knots or greater to PAMI, Solution 618.
Solution 618, tower now 118.7.
118.7, Solution 618.
Solution 618, I gave the wrong frequency, 19.9.
All right, 19.9, Solution 618, thank you.
November 00 Alpha, flighting 230.
Heading 230, Centurion is Alpha.
Air 9 Zulu Bravo is 10 miles from PAMI, cleared ILS, runway 16.
Clear to ILS 16, 9 Zulu Bravo.
Alpha, turn left, heading 180.
Heading 10, Centurion is Alpha. Approach Centurion 5300 Alpha, request lower.
Number 00 Alpha, descend and maintain 5,000.
Down 5,000, 0 Alpha, thanks.
Number 3 Alpha Mike, contact Champagne approach, 123.85. Correction, contact Grissom approach, 123.85.
Contact Grissom approach, 123.85. Have a good day. 3 Alpha Mike.
Yeah, about 10 minutes.
Number 20 Charlie, Holman approach.
Yeah, the controller was kind of waiting.
20 Charlie, Squawk 0140.
Controller was kind of waiting a little late for
3033.
But that's fine.
Number 20 Charlie, radar contact, 10 miles northeast of the Hoosier VOR, say altitude. Number 20 Charlie, you going to stay at that altitude? Probably won't be able to give you flight following for about another 15 miles. If you're not already, change to my frequency, 128.02. Roger.
Holman approach, Cessna 4378, Quebec is with you at 4,000.
Approach 5300 Alpha. We'll go ahead and cancel IFR, please.
00 Alpha, cancellation received. Squawk VFR, frequency change approved, so long.
Thank you so long.
Fairly traffic, helicopter 490 Alpha, Echo, 10 to the north, 1,300, and down for landing at the hospital, which is located 1 mile south of the runway center line 20. Daily traffic.
French Lick Unicom, Centurion 5300 Alpha.
Clinton traffic, Skyhawk 0060, departing pattern to the west.
Airback traffic already 6 to Lieutenant Final, runway 9, Thunderbird, touch and go.
French Lick traffic, Centurion 5300 Alpha is 23 miles to the north, be on the ground in 1010 minutes. Going to plan on the pattern, left pattern for runway 08 at French Lick.
River traffic at 1527 is 5 miles to the southwest, 3000. We're going to overfly the air at 3000. Rough River traffic. Sherry, tell Daryl thank you.
Okay, he says you're welcome.
Okay, see you next time.
Airback traffic already 6 to on the go, runway 9, Thunderbird, ready party traffic, good to stop.
French Lick Unicom, this is Centurion 5300 Alpha.
Huntingbird traffic, Cessna 8776 uniform, taking off runway 09, departing to the north. Huntingbird.
November 5300 Alpha, French Lick Unicom, go ahead.
Yes, sir, good afternoon. We called ahead on Thursday. Just wanted to let you know we'll be on the ground in about 8 to 10 minutes here.
Yes, sir, I'm watching your flight plan right here. I got you kind of tracked here. Feel free to land as you please. The runway is clear and you have power to land.
Okay, great. Thank you very much.
Is turning left cross 13 Eagle Creek. Eagle Creek traffic, Scout 1360 uniform is turning left down 13 Eagle Creek.
Rough River traffic at 1527 is over the field at 3000. We're going to circle navigate the area at 3000 to the east side of the airport. Rough River traffic.
Alright, Autopilot's coming off.
Eagle Creek traffic, Scout 1360 uniform is turning midfield departure 3, departing pattern to East Eagle Creek.
Huntingbird traffic, Cessna 76 uniform, heading north towards Bedford, departing the field. Huntingbird.
Well, if you see any traffic, let me know. We're on our own. We're by ourselves now.
Okay.
And Heidelberg, this is RV 620, I got you locked clear.
Taylorville traffic, we'll have Scott Evers in 2 minutes. 2 minutes to Scott Evers, Taylorville.
Just doing a little flying around.
French Lick traffic, Centurion 00 Alpha is 10 miles to the north, going to be entering the left downwind for runway 08 French Lick. French Lick traffic, Centurion 00 Alpha is 45 left down, runway 08 French Lick.
Capital City Intercom, 85 Fox Alpha, about 9 miles to the west. Landing Capital City, plan on runway 7.
There?
Yep, that's the airport. French Lick traffic, Centurion 00 Alpha is midfield left down, runway 08 French Lick. French Lick traffic, Centurion 00 Alpha is left base, runway 08 French Lick. traffic, Centurion 0 Alpha is turning final runway 08 French Lick. Oh. Was the first time I ever landed it on a runway that had a closure X on it, but that's okay.
What does that mean?
That means the runway's closed, but I called and got permission. It's just kind of alarming. It's warm here. French Lick traffic, Centurion 0 Alpha is back taxiing runway 08 French Lick.
French Lick traffic, Cessna 8776 uniform, approximately 5 miles southwest of the field, crossing over the field at 5,200 feet. French Lick.
French Lick traffic, Centurion 0 Alpha, clear all runways.
November 5300 Alpha, French Lick Unicom, feel free to pull up the fuel pumps, whatever's most convenient for you guys. We're here to help.
Okay, thank you. We will do that. We're going to top off 100 load, please.
No problem, we'll be right out.